Start, ma'am.
So today we are going to start with exercise 1.3. Yes, in the previous video I have given you the introduction about the terminating decimal, non-terminating decimal and non-terminating non-recurring decimal, right? So now here in exercise 1.3 the first question given is write the following in decimal form and say what kind of decimal expansion each has. So first here the questions those are given, you have to first you convert it into decimal form and then you have to tell what kind of decimal expansion, whether it is terminating, whether it is non-terminating, whether it is non-terminating, non-recurring decimal. So let us start question number 1. Number 1 is 36 by 100, right? So now we have to divide. So 100 is bigger and 36 is small. So when we, right? So now 100 is a bigger number and 36 is small. So we cannot divide. So we have to take a point, right? We have to take a point here and we take a 0 here. So now 100, 3s are 300, right? What is remaining? Remaining is 60, right? Now we have taken a point, so we can take a 0 here again. So 100, 6 are 600. So what is the answer? Here the remainder comes 0, right? So yesterday in the introduction part I told you that where the remainder is 0, that is called terminating decimal, right? So number 1 is terminating decimal, right? And what is the answer? The answer is 0.36, right? Next we have question number 2. Now question number 2 is 1 by 11, right? So here also 11 is bigger, 1 is small. So we write here 1 and we take a point and we write here 0. But still you see 11 is bigger, 10 is small. So we have to take another 0 here and 1 more 0, right? And then 11, 9s are 99. So 100 minus 99 is how much? 1, right? So you see here we started from 1 and we again came back to 1, right? Let us do one more step, you will understand it better. So now here you have 1 here, so we put a 0 here and we bring a 0. Sorry, we have already taken a point, so we can take 1 0. Now 11 is bigger, 10 is small. So we have to again put 1 0 there and bring 1 0 here, right? So again 11, 9s are 99, right? So 100 minus 99 is 1. So you have seen, we started from 1, we got a remainder 1, again we got a remainder 1, right? So this is non-terminating. Non-terminating decimal or recurring. Now here you see, in the previous video I said non-terminating is what? Where the remainder repeats itself. Here you see the remainder was 1. Again here also the remainder is 1. We started from 1, the remainder is 1. Again we came back to 1. So this is non-terminating decimal. Now how do we write down the answer for this? Now here you see this is repeating 09, again 09. So instead of that, how do we write down the answer? We write down the answer as 0.09 and we put a bar here, right? One minus sign here on top, right? This is called the bar, which means that this 09 will keep on continuing, right? The remainder will never be 0 and this 09 will keep on continuing, right? So this was question number 2. Now we come to question number 3. So question number 3 is 4 1 by 8, right? So this is in mixed fraction. So let us first bring it into simpler form. So 8 4s 32 plus 1 is 33. So 33 by 8, right? So now we have to divide 33 by 8. So again, so now here we can divide, right? So 8 4s are 32, right? Remainder is 1, right? Next we will be putting a point and we bring here 1 0. So 8 1s are 8. 10 minus 8 is 2, right? Now we again bring we have already taken a point, so we can bring a 0 here. So now 8 2s are 16, right? So 20 minus 16 is how much? 20 minus 16 is 4, right? Then we take a 0 here from the point and 8 5s are 40. So we got the remainder as 0. So what kind of decimal expansion this is? This is terminating, because we got the remainder as 0. Terminating decimal. Right? Next we come to question number 4. Question number 4 is 3 by 13. Now here again 13 is bigger, 3 is small. So how do we divide? We have to take a point and bring a 0 here. Now 30 2s are 26, right? So 30 minus 26 is 4. Remainder is 4. Now we take a 0 from the point, as we have already put a point. So 13 3s are 39. So 40 minus 39 is 1. Now 13 is here, 1 is here. Now we take a 0, but still 13 is bigger, 10 is small. So we put another 0 here and we write here 100. Right? So now in the table of 30, do we get 100? No, we don't get 100, but we have 91. Because 13 into 7 is 7 3s are 21, carry 2. 7 1s are 7 plus 2 is 9. So we can write 7s are 91. Right? So 100 minus 90 91 is 9. Right? Now again we bring a 0 here and then now 100, now 13 7s are, I got 91, so definitely 7 will not be there, so it will be 6. So 13 6 are 78, right? So 78, your 90 minus 78 is 10 minus 8 is 2, and here it's 8, so it's 1 here, right? So again I take a 0 here and then it is 30 9s are, right? 13 9s are is 117. So how much is the remainder? It's 3, right? The remainder is 3. Now this will keep on going, right? This is non-terminating, because see, we started from 3 and we started from 3 and we came back to 3, right? So that means this will keep on going. Next again if you take here one more 0, what will be 30 2s are 26. So the answer will keep on continuing, right? So here this is non-terminating. And how do we write the answer? We will be putting a bar here, right? So this is your answer. Next we come to question number 5. Question number 5 is 2 by 11. So here 2 is smaller, right? So we take a point and we take a 0 here, right? So 11 1s are 11, right? So 20 minus 11 is 9. So we have taken a point, we take a 0 here. So 11 8s are 18. 88, right? So 90 minus 88 is how much? 2, right? So you see here we started from 2, we came back to 2, right? So that means this is also non-terminating. Non-terminating decimal expansion, and we put a bar here, right? The last one, question number 6. What is there in question number 6? It is 329 by 400, right? Now 329 is a smaller number than 400. So what we are going to do is that we are going to take a point here and a 0, right? Now 4 nines are how much? 9 fours are 32, right? So here 9, 32, 100. What is the remainder? The remainder is 90, right? So I have taken a point, I can take a 0 here. So 400 2s are 800, right? So what is the remainder? The remainder is 100. So I take a 0 here, right? So what again? 2s are 800, right? So what is the remainder? The remainder is 200, right? Now here you see. Next is I take a point here, it becomes 2000. So 400 5s is 2000, right? So your answer is 0. So this is terminating decimal. Right? So with this we come to the end of question number 1. In the next video I will be sending question number 2.